Hi, welcome to Katerina Finds. Let's put together this two-layer shoe cabinet and see how it works. I'll show you sneak peeks of assembling it and then all the details. So here I unboxed everything. Instruction is super easy, small booklet, step by step.
This cabinet was so easy to put together. It took me probably about 40 minutes. Per instruction, you do need to have two people and maybe 45 minutes. But honestly, I did it all by myself, except my son helped me to hold drawers on the ends. All necessary accessories are included with these detailed instructions. Precise holes and coded parts was very easily to create this entrance shoe cabinet at home. This shoe cabinet is crafted with durable MDF wood for long-term use, has strong structure and great weight capacity to hold your shoes. Handle, hooks, and legs are metal, has anti-tipping device to prevent hazards. The shoe cabinet has two modern flip drawers, wooden frame and smooth handles. It's stated per description that it would enhance the farmhouse design, but honestly, I love mid-century design and in my opinion it fits perfectly the mid-century style. I love that shelves inside are adjustable and you can adjust it based on your shoe needs. The material is scratch resistant, waterproof, and very easy to clean. Offers ample storage for picture frames, key, wallets. Hidden shoe storage bottom space is ideal for storing all the slippers and everything extra. Drawers opens with such ease, everything works perfect. Love the craftsmanship of it.
I highly recommend this shoe cabinet just because, first of all, it comes in a few different colors. I got it in black. It's so stylish and so nice looking. Second of all, it's not too thick. So I put it next to the door and that little bit of space still letting the door open. My coat closet is overflowing and going to the my main closet to pick out the shoes every time it's overcrowded too, even though I have walk-in closets, it's just not enough. And I have already two other cabinets by the hallway that already full too. So this cabinet is so much thinner, it's taller, it's 32-inch. I put it in the bathroom because no one takes shower in this bathroom. It's just a spare bathroom. And it fits so many pairs of shoes. It's extra nice storage. It's actually great shelving too. You can decorate it on the top as you wish. It has extra shelf that you can put all your necessities in. It would be great in the hallway, in the porch, in the garage, in the bedroom, wherever you, in the bathroom, wherever you need that extra storage. But how many pairs of shoes it fits? So much. It has double shelving inside. If you have very high shoes like ankle boots, you don't have to install this middle wooden shelf. You can leave one of those drawers without installing middle shelf, so this way it would fit all those ankle boots, for example, which I store them in a separate area, so I installed everything. Second drawer, so much space underneath. I can put maybe vacuum cleaner underneath the robotic one, or extra shoes too. This one. This cabinet installed by the entranceway. There are some hooks. You can maybe hang the umbrella or rain jacket or normal jacket. They're pretty sturdy. And I just love how it looks. I love what it brought. So much storage. I love it. I do recommend it, especially if you have a lot of like teenagers and they have so many shoes options. We are so spoiled. We need extra storage. Also, you can put it in a closet. If you screw it, if you have kids, of course, attach it to the wall. I didn't. The bottom of the legs have levels, so you can unscrew it a little bit that it would lean against the wall. That's what I did, and it's very stable. If you attach it to the wall, you can probably put TV on the top if it's in the bedroom. You can decorate them. You can do 2 or 3 and you can decorate the whole wall. If you like a shoe collector, who knows, it's the very affordable and pretty way of storing your shoes. I love it, do recommend it.